In the last Velo video, I said as soon as money flow and view up curve up, we long. We had that yesterday. We started the long and we got a nice pump to the upside. I didn't take profit, but I'm thinking that I might start taking profits very soon. So we'll pull up a few things to decide that. First of all, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'm already seeing that I should take profit very soon. This video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. Just have some fun. And hit the like button. So we have the previous day's value area high at 1379788 basically, which is a few cents above the current price, and this is where I'll be taking profit. We are at the point of control. We're breaking out as US is basically opening, but I want to take profit very quickly. Just to feel further confusion. Then I will look for another entry on the long or short side. I'll make another Velo video tomorrow. Love with all my heart. If you're wondering how I'm up to 274 grand on meme coins, I'll have links to resources in the description below. See you next video.